Okay, so here's a sound demo of these 212s by Kicker. These are Comp Rs. I got them in a box from a local car audio shop. I got the wire coming out the port, but this box doesn't have terminals on it. So there go the speakers. Let's see how it sounds. So I'm going to be using music from SiriusXM because I'm using my phone to record. Yeah, I definitely love this sound system. So these two right here are definitely worth the money. I had these for a while now, so I kind of forgot how much. I think they were like 400. They came up to for the whole thing. With the box was like 150. I got it from a local shop. Two of these were 400 together. Yeah, it's a neat little setup.